Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make a kill brick in Roblox Studio. So if you're making an obby, you might have a kill brick. It's used in almost every obby. So yeah, let's add one. So what you're going to do is you're going to go home, you're going to insert a part. So you're going to do is you're going to go to the properties and change the color to whatever color. Red is the best. And you also want to change the material to neon. It looks like an actual kill brick. If it's on neon, you don't always need neon. So yeah, sorry for any noise in the background, just like in the last video. So yeah, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to scale and you're gonna scale it. When you're done scaling, then you could make a new script. So I'm gonna quickly scale it into like this large tall wall. Let me just quickly check how big a person is. Oops, wrong thing. Sure, I could jump over it. Sure. Okay. After you're done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the script, just like I told you. You're gonna add a script. You can call it script. So here's the script that I made. So we're gonna do local trap part equals script.parent, local function on part touch, other part, local part parents, other part parents, local humanoid, that part. So after you're done copy and pasting it from the description, you can see set player's health to 0 if you want it to 0, but if you want something else, you can make it so it's like always 5 when you touch it. I'm gonna make it 50 so I can just show you. Quickly play. Okay, if I jump and if I touch it, I lose 50. It might take because of since my part is unanchored, it might not always know that I touched it, but keep it to 0. Okay, after you're done, you're just gonna close it. By the way, I made that script, so yeah, I didn't copy it from a model. Okay, well, I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna quickly set the size to 444. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm now done. Let me just put this right here. Okay, so since we're done, we're just gonna anchor it. I'll show you again. And we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.